I've got the iPhone 15 Pro here, but the question is, can you film a professional commercial shot entirely on an iPhone? Jona's a professional filmmaker that literally makes commercials right from home. Now the thing is, he uses like professional equipment, professional cameras for all his videos, so today I wanted to challenge him. I wanted to challenge you today. Grab the iPhone,
of course,
and make some magic. Are you ready to make some magic with the iPhone 15 Pro?
It sounds like an easy job, to be honest.
Let's do this. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Here's the power on using iPhone and Apple Watch. You can just preview whatever your iPhone sees, so I can see if I'm in frame. Something that's new with the iPhone 15 Pro is the ability to lock the white balance, which was something, I've got the iPhone 14 Pro, and it's a brand new setting, which is sick.
You keep the automatic white balance, but it happens it changes between shots.
So you're always having kind of the same color, right?
That's the thing.
We're gonna be turning on Apple ProRes, which is sick to have on an iPhone. And then the ProRes encoding, we're actually gonna turn log on. This will help with color correction so much.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa!
I stopped it. It was falling water everywhere. Here's our current setup on what we're using. We're using an iPhone 15, the pink one over here, and we're using an iPhone 15 Pro Max over here. So we're actually shooting the behind the scenes content for his Instagram reel right here, and then the actual everything will be shot on the iPhone 15 Pro Max.
So now I'm just filling up the water tank to drop the Coca-Cola can. Who needs a bath?
I do. It's very hot. You see, this is why I love USB-C coming to the iPhone. USB-C is such a standard now. Even the lights are USB-C now. By the way, you can pick up these little tiny adapters on Amazon. They're super cheap, and you can basically prop up an iPhone to any tripod or C-stand or whatever.
No, I'm not sad. I love challenges. To find my iPhone, I use this like 10 times per day.
Right? Me too. Best feature for the iPhone and Apple Watch ever. So fun fact, we're not going to be using Apple's actual camera app. We're actually going to be using Moment. Why? Why is that?
Yeah, we're using Moment because we like to have control of the whole parameters in the camera, and this app allows us to be tweaking the ISO, the shutter speed, the autofocus, and even
the focus one is a big one. Such as this camera lens, I can make it manual if I want it. The Moment app allows us to do it. It'd be cool if Apple's actual app would allow us to have like a pro mode. That is gonna look so sick. Nice. What Jona's currently doing is he's currently capturing the white balance number on his camera because the iPhone doesn't have anything in order to detect the actual number of white balance. So then he can later put on that number on the iPhone within the Moment app, and so we can have that crisp white balance. 3, 2, 1, action!
Woohoo! All right, people. So what we're doing right now is we're just attaching this pipe in here so I can blow it and create a big mess.
Ooh. A wet nerd.
Easy. Fake it till you make it.
The amount of props that Jona has is so cool. Look at this. This is an ice cube, but it's just... Okay, next stop, slider. We're gonna slide the iPhone.
Sweating a lot.
And I'm hungry. We're gonna order food now because I'll devour something quick.
Hopefully hard work pays off.
Yeah, you get the point. Slider on iPhone, just gonna slide right in. Hey, can I be honest? All of this stuff is amazing, but can we order food, please?
Right now, right here. Obviously, it's very important to make it look moody. With a little spray, you're gonna get little drops. The smaller it is, the smaller will be the drops.
Look, we we've got all the footage on the iPhone, and now having USB-C, we can actually transfer the footage in really high speeds to the Mac, so we can quickly see and start editing to see how everything actually came out. You know what's funny? I actually wanted to show you how quick it was, but I couldn't even make it in showing you the loading screen because it was just like pretty much instant. You want to know something? Like, the Apple event was 3 days ago, and I came back 2 days ago. And we filmed the iPhone video 2 days ago, and today. And tomorrow is embargo. The unboxings are going live, and a bunch of reels are going up, so yeah, Apple season is probably the most stressful time of the year. But I think we will survive.
Eso dura 3 segundos.
Okay, what are we doing here?
We're trying to use the wide angle.
Nice. This is an LCD magnetic starer, so it's literally just staring the actual Coke. Using the USB-C cable, we are now mirroring whatever the iPhone sees to the Mac. We connected it over here, so it's looking really good. So he can actually see how the actual iPhone is shooting right there. It's pretty crazy because it's pretty far away. You can really see the ×5 lens, just being super practical in occasions like this. Okay, last shot. Here we go.
6 hours later.
Alright guys, video is done. Finally done after how many hours?
Currently 10 o'clock.
Oh my
we
God.
are exhausted,
Yeah.
but the video's done.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoy it. It's been a crazy ride today.
Yeah.
We seriously think and we really believe that yes, you can shoot a professional commercial all shot on an iPhone 15 Pro. Once again, the versatility that all of these lenses has, including the macro, is something incredible. So enjoy your pizza, and you enjoy the video. Links are down below in the description for this talented monster of commercial king. Links are down below. His TikTok, his Instagram. Everybody, you gotta go check this guy out. It's insane.
Let us know your thoughts in the comments, right?
3, 2,
1.
and there it is.
Vamos a 1, 2, 3 y... Vale.
Rápido?
Jo crec que tranquil·lament així, no? Com, perquè això amb iPhone és com que tranquil, no? Com fem? Una actitud tranquil·la.